Welcome again. Today we will discuss indirect enum. So, actually, let me give you some glimpse of indirect enum. What it is. Indirect enum is one kind of recursive enum which will encapsulate its own type. It can reference themselves and can grow in any size. Indirect enum can potential grow to become infinite sized, right? That means it contain reference itself again and again. So let's start with the indirect enum, how we can use it. So when we starting the indirect enum, let me write this enum. uh, we will perform some kind of maths tricky operation, right? Operations. Here we will have one values that we can use it, right? This value will contain the integer type. Now indirect case, when we write anything as an indirect, that will be the function. We will use it as a recursive function, right? So indirect case, write down some add function, right? And here we will use the own type, that is maths tricky operation. Let me copy this, right? This thing. Now again indirect case, multiply. The similar type, right? Great. Now we are coming to the actual implementation. Here we will add the number. So first number will be like this: tricky operation dot single value 100, right? Second number will be 200, right? Let me perform the addition. So addition will be like this: math tricky operation dot add, will having the first number and then second number, then multiply. Multiplication, multiplication with the value, similar value, like multiply. Great. Now we require one more function, right, to calculate, to having the actual calculation, right? So function calculate result, it will have input as a enum type, right? So let me write this as a switch input. Great. That single value. Now the main implementation will come here. The recursive means that to call its own function, right? So the actual implementation will look like this. Let expression 1, let expression 2, here it will have the return. uh, it will call the similar function, right? Calculate result, right? And like expression 1 plus calculate result expression 2. That's great. Copy this, so it will be quite easy. Great. So this what actually in addition or multiplication uh, happen. It call the calculate result, right? It call the calculate result. Then it provide us the single value, particular value. We'll get the value, and again this will calculate it, the addition and the multiplication, right? So this thing will be done recursively. Now we coming to the actual result, how we get the actual result. Okay, so actual result will be like print calculate result, and it will have simple addition. Simple print calculate result, it will having the multiplication, right? Let's run this. 300 and 2000, right? Great. 300 and 2000. So this is the indirect enum, right? Hope you understand this. Thank you so much.